Curtains are decorative window coverings added to complete the window frame and to obtain the benefits of privacy maintenance, light control, and many more. Under such cases, the interior will be pretty much illuminated even with curtain panels fully draped, which does mean a compromised privacy too. In this article by Fixing Expert, we're going to talk about this common problem and propose various useful ideas as ideal solutions to deal with it. The perk and pros to make curtains light-proof. Following are the advantages that you'll get after solving the problem of light leaks from curtains. If you're a day sleeper or a night shift worker, then the blockage of light illuminating the interior from the curtain top and sides will assure a sound sleep. You must have heard of the proverb, "A great mind is in a great body." When you get quality sleep, your mood will be refreshed and you'll be able to concentrate on your work schedule. Thus, you'll prove to be more productive at work and in your daily routine. A minimum of 6–8 hours of undisturbed sleep per day is the major requirement of a human body. You'll feel more energetic all day long and will be able to perform your routine duties with properness. The most basic reasons of light leakage from the curtain top and sides. And so goes for this curtain light leakage problem. Below, we've briefly explained some important causative factors. Improper curtain installation. Unprofessional fitting of the curtain panel. Wrong curtain measurements. The methods to deal with light leakage from the curtain top. 1. Install a pelmet box. Two. Apply valance and cornices. 3. Layering with blinds or shades. 2. Make use of magnetic tapes. Some tips and tricks to maximize light blockage efficiency of the curtains. For the fabric material, always go for top quality, thick fabric materials with tight weave construction that minimize the passage of light rays. Don't forget that repeated measurements will get you the curtain panel of an ideal length and width. And there should be no chances of mistakes in this concern. In this article, we've proposed various ideas to let you block light leakage from the top and sides of the curtains. Alongside this, the reasons for this problematic phenomenon and the advantages afterwards are also described.